Alright, so you are building something, you mess up your database, or just want a fresh start. Let me show you 4 ways to reset your Supabase database. First way, the most obvious one. Just go to your Supabase dashboard, open the table, select all rows and delete them. Simple. But here is the problem. If your tables have relations like a user table connected to a post table, Supabase will throw a foraging key constant error and won't let you delete. So this only works for simple tables with no relations. Second way is SQL Query. This is more powerful because it handles relations automatically. Just open the SQL editor in Supabase and run this. Let me break this down. Truncate deletes all rows, restart identity, reset the ID counter back to 1, and Cascade automatically handles all foraging key relations. You can see data is gone, clean slate. And if you have multiple tables, just add them separated by commas. Third way, if you are using the DB push workflow in Prisma, meaning you run LPX Prisma DB push to sync your schema to the database, then you can use this command. npx prisma db push force reset. What this does is it drops all your tables, wipes all the data, and then recreates everything fresh from your Prisma schema file. So your table structure comes back, but all the data is gone. You can see table is back, data is gone, clean slate. Fourth way, if you are using the migration workflow instead of db push, then use migrate reset. Let me show you step by step. First, create the migration. You can give any name you want here. What this does is it creates a migration folder inside your Prisma folder and generates a SQL file which tells Prisma exactly how to create tables. Now let me add some data back. Data is back and notice on Supabase the Prisma migration table is also created. This is how Prisma keeps track of your migration history. Now to reset database, run npx prisma migrate reset. What this command does is, it drops everything, deletes all your data, and then automatically reruns all your migration files to recreate the tables. So your table structure comes back, but all the data is wiped clean. You can see data is gone, but the table is still there. That is the power of migration workflow. So to summarize, use manual deletion if you have a simple table, use SQL truncate if you have a relations, use db push force reset if you are on the db push workflow, and use migrate reset if you are on the migration workflow. Use the right tool for the right situation. That's it for this one. If this helps you, drop a like. It actually helps the channel a lot. See you in the next one.